students. I hope you all have got the question answers of lesson number 9, Story of Early Man. This is the final video, 6th video of lesson 9, Story of Early Man. In this video, we are going to see the exercises, also a quick recap of the lesson. I hope you all have gone through the previous videos. You have gone through the lesson very nicely, very thoroughly, and you have understood each and everything clearly. Now, moving to the recap of the lesson. Whatever we have seen, that we will see in short, what we have come to know in this lesson. So, the first point we have, early men are called hominids. They appeared on the earth about 40,000 years ago. Now, who were the hominids? Hominids were early men. As I have explained in the previous videos also, it can be defined in different ways, but according to your standard, you have to remember that hominids are the early men. They are called hominids. That's it. Now, the second one, Homo sapiens is the scientific name for human being. If I ask you what is the scientific name of human beings, the modern human beings, you will say Homo sapiens. The third point we have, early men lived in jungles and led a nomadic life. So, early men, they used to live in jungles. Obviously, there were jungles all around, so they lived in jungles and they led a nomadic life. All I have explained in the previous videos. The fourth point we have, they lived in caves to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. They lived in caves to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. The inner walls of these caves have paintings, mostly of hunting scenes. Now, the remains of those caves we have at present also, and in that we can see the paintings or drawings that were made by the early humans, and by seeing those we can say we get a lot of information regarding their life. And those paintings, they mostly depict the hunting scenes, because they were dependent on hunting. They killed the animals and used to eat. They used to use their skin as their clothes. So what is the theme of those paintings? Mostly they are depicting the hunting scenes. Next point we have, they ate wild plants, roots, seeds, fruits and nuts, and they ate raw meat because they did not know about fire or cooking. As we have seen in the lesson, at first they were food gatherers. They used to collect wild plants, roots, seeds, fruits and nuts. Later on, when they came to know about hunting, then they started killing animals, and they used to eat the flesh of those dead animals. And yes, they used to eat the raw meat. Why? Because they did not know about the fire or how to cook the meat. Next point we have, during the first stage they were called food gatherers. As we have seen, we know at first they were food gatherers. Later on, when they came to know about hunting, they became the hunters and they started killing animals and eating them. Next we have, they first used wooden sticks as digging tools. They also used bones as tools. So what we have seen in the lesson, when they were food gatherers, they used their hand to dig the soil, or later on they started using wooden sticks. Further later they started using the stone tools. Also they also used bones of animals as their tool. Now, once they learned to make stone tools, they started killing animals for their food. Early men now became hunter gatherers. They ate raw meat. And once they started using the stone tools, their weapons were more effective, more precise, and they became the hunters. They started killing animals and they became hunter and gatherers. They were also eating those food material that they were eating earlier, and now they became hunters also. So they were called hunter gatherers. The next point we have, since most of the tools at the time were made of stones, this period came to be known as the Stone Age. Now, it is talking about Stone Age. So it was the time of the early men when they started using stone. Most of the tools that they used were made of stones. That is why it was called the Stone Age. We have so many things detail about all these things, but for according to your standard you have to remember whatever points are given. So why it was called the Stone Age? Because of the use of stone, massive use of stones. Each and every most of the tools they were made of stones. That is why it was called the Stone Age. The next point we have, the earliest men did not wear any clothes. Once they started hunting animals, they dried the animal skins and used them as clothes. Now it is talking about the clothes. Yes, when they were food gatherers, they did not wear anything. They were not wearing any clothes like we wear today, or like the early men, the later period people of early men, they used to wear. The food gatherers, they did not used to wear any clothes. Why? Because they did not have much sense, or did not have any, you can say, the cloth kind of thing they did not have. But when they became the hunters, they used to get the skin of those dead animals, and they dried those skins and they started using as their clothes. So when they started using clothes, when they became hunters. The last point we have, they did not use any words or language. It is about their language, what kind of language they used. So they did not use any language because they did not have much knowledge about it. They did not have any sense about it. So how they shared their or exchanged their feelings or thoughts, how they did, with the help of gestures. That we have seen, with the help of gestures they exchanged their feelings and thoughts and whatever information they wanted to exchange. So this is the, you can say, recap of the lesson in short. Now we will see the, first of all we have fill in the blanks. First one, early men are called Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is the name of cave. So what is hominids? Early men are called hominids. Answer is hominids. Second one, early men led a dash life. What kind of life? City life? No. Nomadic life? Yes. What is the meaning of nomadic? They were not fixed at a particular place. They used to move from one place to another. Next question we have, early men lived in dash. What is? Caves or buildings. They did not have buildings. They were not advanced. So it were caves. Next question we have, early men used to wear dash as clothes. What they used to wear? Plastic? No, plastic we use it now. Earlier they did not even know about plastic. So it was animal skin. Animal skin. The animals they used to hunt. Next we have, the period when stone tools were made is called, so it is talking about stone tools. So the answer is Stone Age, not the early age. Now it's over, fill in the blanks is over. Now we have tick the correct answer. The first question we have, the earliest hominid remains were found in, we have seen in the lesson, what is the answer? Europe, Africa, Asia. No, the answer is Africa. From Africa they moved to different parts of the world and they settled there, but the origin was in Africa. We know about the early men from caves and paintings, stone tools, both of these. What will be the answer? It is simply talking about the source of information regarding the early men. So what is the source? Only the caves and paintings or only the stone tools? No, the answer is both of these. So the third option we have both of these. Here we have question number C. Early men used tools for, why they used? For digging roots or for killing animals? Only for digging roots or for only killing animals? They used for both of these. So the answer is both of these. Next question we have, early men ate raw food, boiled food, cooked food. So we know to boil or cook, they must have some knowledge about fire, and they did not have any knowledge, they did not know about fire. So the answer is raw food. They used to eat raw food. The next question we have, early men communicated with one another through, what is the answer? Animal sounds, gestures, or both of these? You have seen in the lesson, I have explained in the video also. It was animal sounds also and gestures also. So the answer is both of this. Now, take the correct answer is over. Match the following. Match the two columns to complete the description of early man. We have to match these two columns. So the first one we have wooden sticks. Wooden sticks. So what is the answer for wooden sticks? They used wooden sticks to cover their body? No. As their food? No. As their shelter? No. As for digging roots? Yes, they used wooden sticks for digging roots. So we can write A here in front of digging roots. Now stones. Why they used or how they used stones? To cover their body, as their food, as their shelter. This one is over. So the last one we have tools and weapons. Since the stones are, they're very hard, they're very strong, that is why they used it as their tools and weapons. So in front of tools and weapons we will write option number B. The third one we have animal skin, as you have seen just now. Why they used or how they used animal skin? They used it as their clothes to cover their body. So we have their option number C in front of cover their body. We will write option number C. The fourth one we have caves. So why they used caves or how they used cave? They used it as their shelter. In front of shelter we will write option number C. The last one we have plants and fruits. So just now we have seen, and we have seen in the previous videos also, we have seen in the lesson, they used plants and fruits as their food when they were food gatherers. So in front of food we will write the option number E. I hope you can see in the video what I have written. It will be shown on the screen also. So this is it. This is all about the lesson number 9. Now here we have the two questions regarding the skill based. If you want to know about these two questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to make a different video on these two questions. So that's all for this video. Study well. Thank you.